Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Roblox Studio once again, and we are actually doing another tutorial. And this video is specifically about the messaging service, and it is a very powerful service that allows you to send messages or send data across from one server to another in one game. And this also is how people make public announcements, like global announcements, for example, which are announcements that people can see from every single server in the game, run from one server, sent to everyone playing the game. And this is very powerful, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this and implement it into your own game. So let's do it. So how we are going to do this, what we are going to do, is go into server script service and script. We are going to put this kill script. Now, this is just an example for you guys, because this is something I can actually do as a good example. So what we can do is game.players.player added next function player player.chatted next function message. If message equals gkill, which is global kill, then, by the way, this does not have to be gkill. You can set this to whatever you want if you are doing it like this. But if I do this, then what we need to do now is game.messagingService, which we can't do like this, game.getService messaging service, because you have to actually get the service before you can use it. Then messaging service, publish a sync global kill command, player.name. Now this is going to be this is just this bit here is the topic, and player.name is just the message, so we're not actually going to be using that. But at least I don't think we'll be using player.name today. But what we're going to do now is game get serve. So guys, now that I've actually disabled it, what we're going to do now is we've got subscribe async, but we need to type in global kill command function. And now what we need to do here is we need to do for underscore comma I in game. For I, we're going to define as player in game.players get children do I dot humanoid wait for child humanoid, but we need to do this first, character, then wait for child humanoid dot health equals 0, and that is going to kill the player. So what we can do is we can test it here. G kill. I die. So that should kill everyone. So what we can do to test this is we can get out my mobile device, and I can publish this to Roblox. I can turn on collaborate. I can add my main account to this. I can put on playtest, save. Now this will turn on Team Create. So what we can do is we can load back in. Then on Roblox on my phone, I can get it out, publish to Roblox. Then what we need to do is head over to the Create browser. So guys, once you're over on create.roblox.com, once again, you can go into creations, and then you can find your game. So for me, it's messaging service right here, and I can view on Roblox, and it will take me to here. Then I need to load in. So now this is going to launch, and there we go, I am now in. So currently, because I set the server size to 1 to test this out properly, I am now going to try to join, and my phone will say waiting for an available server, joining server. I am now in on a completely different server. So now if I run /g kill, now I'm not going to do it on here, I'm going to do it on my phone, because otherwise you have no evidence that this works. So G kill, return. I died and so did I. This is a global kill, and then I can do G kill here. So as you guys can see up here, I never ran G kill, but now I'm gonna run it, and my phone account just died. And that is global kill, or using messaging service to send a command across every single server running at once. So guys, one example that I have of this is this admin panel here that I worked on a little bit. It's like a little bit of an admin panel. And now up here I have the button. So admin panel, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this, but I can type in enter announcement content. So testing, and I can put in announce. So if I click announce, it will say testing just in this server. But if I click announce all, it uses messaging service to send a global announcement to every server. So it currently, because I've got this, so if I can do this, I can do testing this new amazing system. Announce all. Testing this new amazing system. So because I clicked announce all, that is sending a message using messaging service to every server. And that is really, really useful for anything that you guys could possibly want to use this for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a rather short video because there's not really much to info to give you guys about this, because messaging service is rather short and not really much to go over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then let me know in the comment section below what more videos you would like to see. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.